Here are 17 make-ahead breakfasts that aren't oats, perfect for busy mornings and packed with flavor and nutrition. Egg-based options. 1. Mini egg muffins. Whisk eggs with veggies, cheese, and meats, pour into muffin tins, and bake. Refrigerate or freeze and reheat. 2. Breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs with fillings like sausage, peppers, and cheese. Wrap in tortillas and freeze individually. 3. Frittata slices. Make a big frittata in a pan or oven, slice, and store. Grate cold or reheated. 4. Egg bites, sous vide style. Blend eggs with cottage cheese and fillings, then bake in muffin tins or silicone molds for Starbucks-style egg bites. Sandwiches and toastables. 5. Freezer-friendly breakfast sandwiches. Use English muffins or biscuits, layered with egg, cheese, and meat. Wrap and freeze. 6. Avocado toast packs. Mash avocado with lemon and salt, store in individual containers. Toast bread fresh and top quickly in the morning. 7. Savory breakfast quesadillas. Fill tortillas with scrambled eggs, beans, and cheese. Grill, slice, and freeze. Bakes in casseroles. 8. Breakfast casserole. Bread, eggs, cheese, and sausage baked into a casserole. Refrigerate or freeze in portions. 9. Hash brown egg. Bake layer hash browns, eggs, veggies, and cheese in a baking dish and bake ahead. Muffins and breads. 10. Banana protein muffins. Use almond or oat flour and protein powder for a filling, portable option. 11. Zucchini bread muffins. Moist, veggie-packed muffins that freeze well and work for sweet or savory toppings. 12. Savory cheese and herb muffins. Made with cheese, herbs, and sometimes bacon, grate warm or cold. Dairy and non-dairy options. 13. Chia pudding, non-oat. Use almond, coconut, or dairy milk and top with fruit or nuts. 14. Cottage cheese bowls. Pack cottage cheese with pre-chopped fruits, nuts, or even herbs for savory twists. 15. Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer yogurt with granola alternatives, like seeds or nuts, and fruit in jars. Grab-and-go bars. 16. Homemade breakfast bars, oat-free, made with nut butters, seeds, dried fruit, and puffed rice or quinoa. 17. Baked quinoa cups. Mix cooked quinoa with egg, cheese, and veggies, then bake in muffin tins. Thanks for watching.